we have some Fiesta MK7 smoked LED rear lights. This is the version what runs from 2008 to 2012. The plug type is a little bit different on the 2012 on model, so please just double check and take note of the plug before you order them. There is a link below to this set. So let's get them open and have a quick look. Everything's packed really well for mail order, so we don't have any damages. These have got really good build quality and a really nice smoke finish. So this is the plug for the 2008 to 2012 type.